on Naomi's Daughters, a broadcast brought to you by Kingdom United Ministries Network. Join us as we have our special guest, Anneshia Freeman, the Locksmith. Join us as Anneshia shares her testimony from a childhood of various forms of abuse, a troubled life with addictions and prostitution, to graduating Summa Cum Laude 4 times. Ms. Freeman is also a certified alcohol and drug counselor, and under the guidance of the Holy Spirit, she developed a cognitive restructuring and resocialization program entitled The Lives That Bind, The Legacy of the Locks. Visit her page on our website by clicking on her name on the Naomi's Daughters page by going to www.kingdomcomenet.com. Visit Annesia's website by going to www.annesiaconsulting.com. If you or someone you know has been tied up and want to become truly free from the lies that bind, invite others and share, as you won't want to miss this broadcast. Call in for the live broadcast on Saturday, September 5th at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time by dialing 914-803-4491 or listen by following the link on the Naomi's Daughters page for this broadcast. Feel free to invite others. You are welcome.